Hey everybody, this is the beginning of part 22, and I was going to clean up the bus and start in on the electrical and a few items, like the plumbing, a few things like that, but I got a little surprise in the mail today. Here I'll show it to you. Yeah, look at this. Man, those things are thick. Look at the thickness of these. These are my seat swivels. This is awesome. I think I'm going to go in and install those. They even came with hardware. Ha! This is pretty cool. Yeah, I think I'm going to go back and start it on that. I'll bring you guys along. Okay, guys. I went back and measured my where my seats mount, and I put the back one in here, and they matched width-wise right here. But going forward here, it didn't make it to the other one. You can see these are drilled in several different locations. But my seats didn't match any of them, all four of them. It just matched the two back ones. So I drilled one over here, and I've got to drill another one right here. And I'm just going to go through the process here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to center punch that so my drill won't flip around, and I'm going to go ahead and drill this through. Well, so much for the drill not slipping around. Put a little cutting oil on it. Okay, I keep going straight down, I should be fine. A little more oil. Now I'm going to move it out away from the table edge so I don't drill through my table. Excuse me for a minute. It's so cold out here. Just cheating the hole a little bit. Just to make sure. Okay. All these shavings here, I don't want them to get into this ball bearing area in here. So I'm going to try to get rid of them. I think we're in pretty good shape. Okay, let's go do a test fit. Okay, I'm out on the other side by the bus, and this is the swivel. This section with the lever action on it, this goes toward the seat. I'm almost sure of it. So, because the handle's pointing upward where you can reach down to grab it. We want this handle pointing forward on this. And hopefully my new holes will work out. Oh, I also, these studs here sticking off the bottom of the seat were a little bit long. So I decided I would put a nut on them just to space them down. And I put a large nut on them because of the holes here. I didn't want them to, be any slack or anything there. So, okay, the top one fit. Okay, maybe we're going to have to try something a little bit different here. Let's try hanging this like that. Let me check, see if you can still see me here. Somewhat. Sorry about that, guys. It's the way it goes sometimes. So, get these two back ones in first. Okay, they're in. And that one. And let's see. All right. Sometimes it just needs a little persuasion. Well, I just need to put these on, tighten it down. This is going to take me a minute or two, so we'll get back with you. Okay, I got the bolts tightened up, see? I rotated this plate so I could get to all the bolts. And I'm also going to need it rotated for putting in these. These bolts are the ones that bolt into the base of the bus seat frames. And you've probably seen me use these before on the Murphy bed. They're called bolt retainers. They're push style bolt retainers. And I need my bolts to come through this side because just like on the Murphy bed, I don't want the bolt heads hitting each other. If I run the threads this way, they'll be knocking into each other here and causing me problems. So that's why I'm putting them this direction. And there's always going to be a problem going on. There we go. Just a matter of rotating it a little more. I'm not sure if you can find these anywhere. Maybe auto parts store. But the only reason I have them is I had that body shop for 26 years. So I've got tons of bolts and nuts and fasteners, just about anything you can imagine for auto body repair or even vehicle repair far as the body bolts. You know, bumper bolts, door panel clips, headlight retainers. Yeah, got it all still. But once I get these in there, I can go set this into place. I can straighten it back out because these will hold the bolts where they need to be. And I'll just set it down in the holes and run the bolts up the other underside. And this dude will be installed. Okay, so this last one, there we go. Yeah, I thought it was going to give me a problem, but I guess it's going to cooperate after all. Doing this kind of thing is my element anyway. That's where I feel most comfortable. I restored a lot of vehicles over the years. I had a really good crew, really good painter. He won some awards. We even had one that went to Pebble Beach, believe it or not. Let's see here. Am I doing this right? Let's see. No, these are the back. Can't get this goofed up. There. That's the way it goes right there. And I'm going to take this in and set it in the seat bracket. Okay, we got her in here. I have to use a washer with this because these holes are almost as big as the nut for the seat. So I'll have to use these washers. They used them before. You can see where the marks are in the washer from when I took it off. The washer, I mean the nuts have a little ridge around them. Holds them on, locks them down. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do here is I need to set this down in the holes. I noticed something about this swivel. It raised the seats up quite a bit too, which is cool. I like that. All right. So, we need to move it this way. There. And I get washer and a nut. Of course, this is one of those things where you need 3 hands. Where's Ruby when I need him? I guess that wouldn't matter. He doesn't have any thumbs anyway. Well, there she is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten this thing up and then we'll try the swivel on it. And I'll get back with you guys here as soon as I get it tightened down. Okay, I got it in. So you hit the lever here and you can swing this way into the locking position. Or it swings out here and locks. It'll swing here and lock. And it'll sit right here like this. If you want to watch TV or something like that. It'll swing all the way around back and lock too. There's actually room here to put a like a little desk or something off of that, but with the swing table, I really don't need it. There it is. Get all the kitty prints off of it. Nice Friedman seating. It's a good comfortable seat. Got a lot of padding in it, see? Lots of padding in it. And it's good for long trips. It was off of this particular bus I got this off of, did a long route from John Day, Oregon to Bend, Oregon, and they put these nice seats in it to make sure it was comfortable. Okay, so I've got another seat to do, and I'll get that in here and we'll take a look and see what I've got. I also have to finish up that swivel table. The mount here is still a little loose. I need to put another bolt in it. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed that.